Do you ever find yourself struggling to remove a stain or remove that sticky grime from high-touch surfaces, such as a steering wheel, armrest, or a door panel? This may be the one tool you're missing. And no, it's not a stronger APC, it's not a harsher degreaser, it's not more steam and agitation. It's enzymes. And as soon as you understand how they work, the way you clean interiors completely changes. An enzyme is a biological catalyst. It doesn't scrub, it doesn't burn away contamination, and it doesn't rely on brute force chemistry. Instead, it targets organic material on a molecular level, digesting and breaking them down into smaller components that can be removed much easier. Enzymes digest proteins, fats, oils, sugars, and carbohydrates. They're good for breaking down organic contaminations like food, sweat, skin oils, body fluids, and odor-causing contamination. Most interior messes are organic: seats, carpets, headliners, armrests, door cards, steering wheels, and all high-touch plastics. Instead of targeting the contamination directly, a lot of detailers rely on APCs, degreasers, solvents, high pH cleaners, and steam with aggressive agitation. These can do it, but they do it inefficiently and aggressively. Enzymes are purpose-built for organic matter. They're much safer on sensitive plastics and modern interiors. This is mostly due because of their neutral pH or near neutral pH. Enzymes need dwell time, but slower doesn't mean inefficient. APCs usually require multiple steps or repeat cycles, and this is because APCs only partly touch organic matter. With enzymes, you apply, allow a proper dwell, light agitation if needed, and extract once. Less rework and less material stress. Why APCs struggle with organics? APCs rely on surfactants, solvents, and builders. They touch organics, but they don't break them down. That's why stains wick back and odors return. Enzymes digest contamination instead of masking or moving it. Protease breaks down proteins. Lipase targets fats and oils. Amylase breaks down sugars and starches. Cellulase works on plant-based residue. Urease is useful for urine contamination. This is precision cleaning, not one-size-fits-all chemistry. Many products labeled as an enzyme cleaner aren't a true enzyme system. Real enzymes don't pair well with high alkalinity, strong solvents, and high heat. Some products add in surfactants to speed things up. This pushes them back towards an APC style cleaner. This is where you shift from guesswork to understanding, from brute force to precision, from chainsaw to scalpel. Enzymes aren't flashy, but they represent professional level detailing. If you're tired of blasting interiors with the strongest chemical you own and hoping it works, then enzymes are the upgrade you need. Not because they're magic, but because they're precise. If you'd like to learn more about the science of detailing cars and understand the chemistry, subscribe and follow along. We're just getting started.